Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Limits like this look messy, but this one collapses fast if you track the sign carefully and simplify before substituting, so watch this quick solve. Start by rewriting the denominator, because 2 minus x is the opposite of x minus 2. So 4 times x minus 5 times 2 minus x becomes negative 4 times x minus 5 times x minus 2. Now the fraction is x plus 2 times x minus 2 over negative 4 times x minus 5 times x minus 2. And that common x minus 2 cancels cleanly, which is the key move here. That leaves x plus 2 over negative 4 times x minus 5. Plug in x equals 2, get 4 over 12, which simplifies to 1/3. Well done! Option C, scan now. The trap is missing signs by rushing. The rule is trust the given expression and check steps carefully.